ओम वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षि भास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसंग्रहम्। परिसंख्या विधि, नियम विधि. नियम विधि is what we were seeing. The Vitushikaranam of the grain, vrihi, that is done through avaghata, avahananam, by pounding. Last sentence we saw on 55 now. Sacha apraptamsha puranam. This niyama is aprapta amsha puranam. Vaitushyasya hi nanopaya sadhyatvat. Yada avaghatam parityajya upayantaram grahitum arabhate. Tada avaghatasya apraptatvena tadvidhan namakam अप्राप्तांश पूरणम एव अनेन विधिना क्रियते. वैतुष्यस्य हि नानो उपाय साध्यत्वात्. Vaitushyam can be done through different means. Yesterday I was explaining. One is pounding, but other means are nakhavidalanam. With the nails you can split them, or you can scrub them on the stone, etc. Or now modern means are there. You can put it some mixture. It will do the similar kind of job. It will break them, remove the husk. Sadhyatvat. Yada avaghatam parityajya upayantaram grihitum arabhate. If you start taking up other means other than avaghatam, you give up avaghatam and you take up other means, tada avaghatasya apraptatvena, then avaghata is aprapta. So see, niyama vidhi, what is the mukhya lakshana for niyama vidhi? That niyamo pakshike sati. Pakshika means one paksha is there, another paksha is there, then niyama vidhi comes. This is the mukhya veda. Avaghatasya apraptatvena means when you have more than one option and I have vikalpa, I can do this way, that way, then they will do a niyama. They do this way only. The whole objective in Veda to have niyama is when my mind has these vikalpas, should I do this, should I do that, should I do that? If I have pramana buddhi in Veda and Veda says do this way, all my other vikalpas are gone. Like that, if I have pramana buddhi in any acharya, in life also, if I say, should I do this, should I do that, should I do that, 3-4 vikalpas are there. You ask that person in whom you have pramana buddhi, that person says, do this, no discussion, no further questioning, life will become very easy. This whole niyama vidhi is to be thought in this way. Apurva vidhi is where there is no other way. Na purva iti apurva. So apurva vidhi is only one way, and that is the only way known through that means of knowledge. No other means of knowledge discusses about it. Like to go to Swarga. So it is apurva. Here there are different options. Tad avaghatasya apraptatvena tad vidhananam. Tad vidhananam तद्विधान नामकम अप्राप्तांश पूरणम एव अनेन विधिना क्रियते. तद्विधान नामकम, that which is aprapta, avaghat became aprapta if I was adopting other means. Then tadvidhana namakam Apraptamsham, apraptamsha puranam eva. What was not paid attention to or what was being ignored, that is ascertained through this vidhi. That apraptamsha puranam anena vidhina, niyama vidhina kriyate. Atasya niyama vidhau, then what happens in niyama vidhi? Apraptansha puranatmako niyama eva vakyartha. अप्राप्त अंश पूरणात्मकः नियमः. दिस इज द वाक्य. पक्षे अप्राप्तौ अवघातस्य विधानम् इति यावत्. पक्षे अप्राप्तौ, one पक्ष which is अप्राप्त अवघात तस्य विधानम्. So that is assigned, that is indicated. Now परिसंख्या विधि. उभयोश्च युगपत् प्राप्ता वितर व्यावृत्ति परो विधि ही परिसंख्या विधि ही. This niyama vidhi, परिसंख्या vidhi, etc., they are taken up for discussion in detail in Atma va are drashtavya, shrotavyo, mantavyo, nididhyasitavya. Because tavya pratyay is there, it is a vidhi. What kind of vidhi it is? Is it a niyama vidhi? Is it a परिसंख्या vidhi? Like that. So you will see Atmetyavopasita in Brahadaranyak also 147. Is it niyama vidhi, parisankhya vidhi, or no vidhi, etc. Such discussions will come. So pay a little more attention to this. Otherwise, when this topic comes, then you will not have any idea. Ubhayoho yugapat praptau. If two things are simultaneously available, then itara vyavritti paro vidhi. Vidhi is pullinga shabda, therefore vyavritti paraha. Itara vyavritti. That one, you say this you don't do. So what is to be eliminated? That vidhi is parisankhya vidhi. What should be done is which vidhi? Niyama vidhi. What should not be done is parisankhya vidhi. But they will not say don't do something. That is a nisheda. Then it is not vidhi. It is a vidhi where there is itara vyavritti is done. It is not a nisheda vakya. Drishtanta is given. Yatha pancha pancha nakha bhakshya iti. In the Hindi tika, see the third line. Pancha pancha nakha bhakshya brahma kshatrena raghava shashaka shallaki godha khadki kurmotha panchamaha. This vakya is from Valmiki Ramayana. Vali is telling Ramchandra ji that you have shot an arrow and a Raghava. That is why Raghava Shabda is given. That you should not shoot an arrow to a Vanara which is not to be eaten. Anyway, our main topic is not that. Pancha Panchanakha Bhakshya. This is the Vakya. So in Veda also this Vakya is there. Pancha Panchanakha Bhakshya. Brahma Kshatrena means by Brahmana. By Kshatriya. Brahma Kshatra must be having some particular meaning. Now, what is the meaning? So, Panchanakha means those who have 5 nails. Means they have a paw, what they call, with nails in each. 5. Only 5 animals of 5 nails can be eaten. This is this Vakya. By those who eat. Now, on this there is discussion. Idam hi vakyam na panchanakha bhakshana param. Pa is missing. Idam hi vakyam na panchanakha bhakshana param. This vakya is not saying eat those which have 5 nails. Idam vakyam panchanakha bhakshana param na. Why? Tasya ragatah praptatvat. What you are going to do through raga out of your desires, you don't need vidhi. Anyway, this person is going to do. It is ragatah prapta. Means those who have raga to eat such things, they will eat anyway. They don't need vidhanam. Napi niyama param. It is also not a niyama vidhi. What is the page number in that? 1. Napi niyama param. Pancha panchanakha bhakshanasya. This is the reading. Pancha. But this another reading is better, which is in another reading that I have here. Panchanakha apanchanakha bhakshanasya. Instead of panchanakha bhakshanasya, panchanakha pancha, but it should be understood in this way. Pancha atirikta panchanakha bhakshanasya. See, what is this issue here? If it is said panchanakha bhaksha, means you can eat or you are allowed to eat animals with 5 nails. So now what are you eliminating? Itara vyavritti is there. So one idea of itara vyavritti is all other animals other than these 5 having 5 nails. This is one way of understanding. Other way of understanding is among those who have 5 nails, only these 5 should be eaten. In other words, there are other animals which don't have 5 nails, but they don't fall in the category of this group. They can be eaten. So let's say if there are 15 animals with Panchanakha, only these 5 belonging to Panchanakha can be consumed. So Maharaji has explained in that way that because in other yagas where there is sacrifice of other animals also which are not Panchanakha, they can be eaten. So here, and it is according to one interpretation, like how I told you. So it is Panchanakha atirikta pancha atirikta panchanakha bhakshanasya. Pancha you should understand as pancha atirikta panchanakha bhakshanasya yugapat praptehe pakshe aprapti abhavat. Ataha idam, again in the next line also, idam apanchanakha bhakshana nivritti param. This apanchanakha is actually idam apancha panchanakha bhakshana nivritti param. Apancha panchanakha bhakshana nivritti param iti bhavati parisankhya vedi. Because if you read the Hindi translation, those who know good Hindi, they will understand. See, last 2 sentences in Hindi. Ataha, अपूर्व विधि और नियम विधि नहीं हो सकती, अपितु परिशेषात परिसंख्या विधि होगी। इस वाक्य से शशकादि पंच भिन्न पंचनख भक्षण की निवृत्ति होती है। पंच भिन्न पंचनख भक्षण निवृत्ति है। अंडरस्टूड? Other than these five, others who have five nails, their elimination is done. वस्तुतः उक्त पंचनख भिन्न पंचनख भक्षण का निवृत्ति परक वाक्य है। वस्तुतः उक्त पंचनख भिन्न, उक्त पंच means these five. Now you see the examples. Rabbit, then kurma means turtle, shahi. They have given some examples. Even the names we don't know. We don't see these animals also. Goha and the rhino, genda. They have panchanakha. Only these five you can eat. Ukta panchanakha bhinna. Other than these panchanakha, panchanakha bhinna, panchanakha bhakshana का निवृत्ति परक वाक्य। पंचनख भिन्न पंचनख भक्षण निवृत्ति. Other than these five, all the other fives which have five nails, they are to be eliminated. That is this vakya. This is called Parishankhya Vidhi. I will give you some other Vedantic Drishtanta or Upanishadic Drishtanta in this today's session itself, so that this topic is complete. Satyam Vada. Satyam Vada means you don't go everywhere and go on talking Satya. It is a Parisankhya Vidhi Vakya. What it means is Asatyam Mavada. When you have to speak, then don't speak Asatyam. But everywhere you don't have to go and speak. So this is Itara Vyavritti. Asat Vyavritti. This is one Drishtanta. Sureshwaracharya ji, Naishkarmya Siddhi says, Atma Vare Drashtavya is Parisankhya Vidhi. Means, Anatma na Drashtavya. Atma Drashtavya means, don't see Anatmatva, see Atmatva. Identify with yourself. So this is the main Drishtanta. Here they have given other Vaidika Drishtanta, Pancha Panchanakha Bhaksha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.